To my left, we have a 2022 Audi S5 Cabriolet. To my right, we have a 2022 Audi A5. Both of them have the 3D Bang & Olufsen sound system. But today, I'm going to show it to you on the black one simply because it matches with the color of my suit jacket, and black cars are awesome. If you have the Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system in your Audi, you get 19 speakers in the A5 and S5 series, totaling 750 watts of pure pleasure. To access your sound settings in the 2022 Audi A5 or S5 or any 5 series for that matter, you go to Settings, and from here you go onto Sound. Now, one thing I do want to point out is that when you mute your music or turn down the volume all the way, you are going to see that you no longer have access to the sound settings of your vehicle. So, for the purpose of this demonstration, I will just turn up the volume 1 degree so that we can have access to it. Now, as you can see, the first option here is you have the treble, and you can also adjust the bass, and you have a beautiful individual subwoofer control, because a little extra bass never hurts anyone. That's your equalizer right there. Now, if you go to balance and fader, you can select where you want the audio to come from. So be it on the driver's side, passenger, front passenger, and rear passengers, or you can simply put it back in the front. And the cool thing is that you don't have to be 100% accurate, because as you move this circle to the middle, it automatically snaps into the center for you. Now, if we go back here, an easier way to direct the sound would be if you scroll down a little bit where it says focus, you can either have it come from all of the speakers, from the front speakers only, or from the rear speakers. Beautiful. Now, below that is your surround level. So how much of a surround sound would you want in your vehicle? This is the meter to choose so. And below that is where we have the 3D effect. As if you are in a concert hall and as if you're listening to the music as the band is playing itself. It really sounds amazing. I wish there was a way that we can make you hear it over the video, but it's best if you come down to Circle Audi and test one out for yourself. You can turn it off, have it low, medium, or high. And last but not least, we have the speed-dependent volume control. This determines the volume of the music the faster you go, meaning the faster you drive your car, the louder the music will get to accommodate the sound of the road or your engine noise or what have you. If you don't want that at all, just turn it down all the way. One thing I also do want to point out is that when you turn your volume higher or lower, you also have the gear selector here, which if you press, brings you right back to this audio settings. And so let's try that. Let's go onto the home screen right there. Let's turn up the volume and we press this gear. And there we go. We are in the audio settings. Now, I love convertible vehicles. And this is where you can really enjoy the Bang & Olufsen sound system, especially with the top down in the California weather like this. But bottom line is, no matter what kind of Audi you're driving, make sure you enjoy every single thing about it. Because if the word perfection can have wheels, it would be Audi.